sitting on my couch, relaxing, before I am going to get up and film another speed clean video for you guys. So I just got out of the shower. Don't mind my wet hair. I'm wearing a Colorado shirt and pajamas. Usually when I speed clean, I do it in like a tank top. But today's speed clean is going to be more like speed, clean, organize, and it's just going to be in one specific room, my beauty room. So it's a mess right now because I will show you guys upstairs. We're painting the walls upstairs, and then in our beauty room, I just got a new desk. So everything from the other desk that got moved is all on the floor, and Hunter was playing and his toys in there, but he recently went to his dad's house. So I kind of left it a mess just so I can, just because you guys saw my other video, I said I left upstairs a mess so I can specifically film a speed clean video because it just motivates me and it's really fun and I know you guys enjoy it. So I'm like, I'm going to keep my beauty table, like my makeup table, a mess while I'm moving everything around and then just film a video cleaning it up because it's very satisfying rewatching me clean it. So yeah. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to head on upstairs. I'll kind of show you what it's looking like. And then we're going to get it all organized. So, yeah. If you guys do enjoy these videos, be sure you hit that thumbs up button. Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And subscribe. But, let's get started. Alright, so this is what the upstairs is looking like. Like I said, we're painting, so we have around and then painting the walls. And then this is our office. This is my new table here I need to organize. And then over here is like my makeup area. Like I said, Hunter decided to move all of his toys in there. And it's just a disaster. Look at that makeup table. I'm ready to clean it, organize all this, and yeah, let's just do it.
Feels so lucky, feels so